where over 97% of the world's mass is. Not only that, but over 70% of the surface area lies here too.
As well as that, there are tens of thousands of different species of fish, many of which we eat. Most importantly, it's home to microorganisms, which produce 80% of all oxygen we use to survive.
We can't take this for granted as we are currently. We are simply dumping too much rubbish in our oceans for it to sustain.
I just finished my drink and there are no bins anywhere. Aha! I'll just leave it in the ocean. It's only a little bit. I'm sure no one will care.
But that's not okay, whether it's a little bit or a lot, because it eventually builds up and becomes such a problem that we can't fix it. Unfortunately, we can't do much about people dumping their rubbish, but until we can at least help take the existing rubbish out.
There are a few huge problems with plastic polluting our oceans. Firstly, I am eating this pollution, which means that I can grow harmful toxins, and that can be fatal if this shark or human eats me. As well as this, these waters are becoming contaminated and grotesque, and fish can get stuck in nets or plastic bags.
Unfortunately, this is happening all over the world and making many people very sick. And some people are thinking twice before they eat seafood.
Additionally, in some cases, the plastic and rubbish all accumulates in one big patch, the most famous of which being the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which holds over 1.8 trillion pieces of rubbish, or about 90 million tons.
Before humans started polluting our oceans and rivers, they looked like this, the Great Barrier Reef. But now, it's something more like this, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Would you rather be living in a world like this, or this? And humans can't clean the oceans by themselves. That's why we present to you the Cleanomatic, an invention dedicated to cleaning our oceans. Wait, so you don't need me anymore?
No, we don't. With the help of the Cleanomatic, we don't need humans to help clean the ocean, and we can use it without any extra effort. But how does it work?
Good question. It's an ocean device that uses a pump down the bottom to push water out, and because it's partially underwater, water flows back in, creating an ever-constant current. It's solar-powered, so it can use its renewable energy, and rubbish is sucked in, but marine creatures and fish can easily swim out because of the weak current.
Plus, it's also completely solar powered, meaning it's renewable. How did we come up with the idea though? We started thinking to ourselves, where did most of the rubbish end up in? We found out that 5.25 trillion pieces of rubbish end up in the ocean and rivers every single year. So, we decided to do something in the ocean.
We started to think that it'd be easier for us to propel the rubbish towards us, instead of us trying to get the rubbish.
So what pulls things in? A vacuum cleaner.
But, as you obviously know, vacuum cleaners don't work underwater. So, we needed a new concept.
So applying that similar concept, we utilized oceanic waves to push rubbish and water into our sea bin. Of course, we added pool noodles so it could float, but not too many, so it could still go underwater semi.
So all you need to do is put one of these devices in an ocean or river to help clean it up.
In conclusion, the Cleanomatic will help clean our oceans, protecting our marine life and ourselves. Thank you.